So we are now living in lockdown, almost martial law. Not an easy time for anyone. I would like to offer a solution. Kalarippayattu is a martial art from southern India. It is perhaps the root of all martial arts. It does without doubt hold all the fundamentals of movement training, using body weight, posture, calisthenics, plyometrics, ballistics. Now, I spent many years in the theatre before coming to martial arts. I was a dancer and an actor. I was interested not just in how to train the body, but how to go beyond it, how to unlock it. My understanding was that the body was capable of doing anything, if only we let go of the blocks that were holding us back. Sometimes physical, more often mental.
In Kalari we train not to become stronger, though we do achieve that. Instead we train to gain absolute focus, what in India they call ekagrata. This is the real benefit of Kalari, how the right physical training can change your life, making you sharper, more effective, more productive. Through precise physical action, we focus the mind, and the results are limitless. Are you ready to stop wasting your energy? Sign up now and see for yourself. I dare you.